Hello guys, welcome back. If your paper shredder is not turning on or not shredding properly, it can be frustrating, especially when you need to quickly destroy documents and the machine just won't respond. This issue can show up in different ways, like no power at all, the motor running without shredding, or the shredder stopping suddenly during use. The good thing is that most of these problems are not serious and are often caused by simple things like power issues, safety switches, paper jams, or overheating protection. Many shredders are designed to stop automatically when something isn't right, which can make it seem like the device has failed. The key is to check each part step by step and reset the system properly. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your shredder and get it working smoothly again. Try these. Step 1. Check the power connection and ensure the shredder is plugged in properly. Step 2. Turn the shredder off and then back on to reset the system. Step 3. Empty the waste bin and make sure it is placed correctly. Step 4. Check for paper jams and remove any stuck pieces carefully. Step 5. Allow the shredder to cool down if it has overheated. Step 6. Turn it back on and test by inserting a small sheet of paper